Our next guest has worked with some of Jamaica's most legendary producers and reggae artists. So much to name. I'm going to name a few. King Tubby, Cockatee, Lieutenant Stitchy, Bounty Killer, Shabba, and I'm telling you, that's just a few. I'm speaking about none other than Jaria's Honor Award recipient for his contribution to reggae music, Leroy Fatman Thompson. Morning,
good morning,
sir.
Good morning,
welcome to this side of the plate. Great to have you, Fatman. Your bio is so extensive. I'm just going to get straight into it, right? So I know you did electrical installation as a student at Pembroke Hall, and how you get into the music business?
Well, it's kind of strange.
Yeah.
Channel 1. We have a virgin John T. His stepfather was a record producer. So him that go Channel 1 go work, so me decide, so when I carry me, and from me go see Soji at work. Every day I leave school, Channel 1 me there. Channel 1 every day. Till all the gate man say, boy, come out of the studio, little boy down to school. Soji say, make him stay. And from that, man, that's where I live.
So your training ground was in the actual studio?
Yes.
That's where you learned your craft. What do you think, Fatman, contributed to the fact of you being so successful? When I look at your bio, you worked with almost all the artists, all the studios. What is that thing about you?
The love.
The love.
The love. We couldn't wait a morning time for daylight for go studio. As daylight, so I go in the studio.
Yeah.
And when we had the audition, the line longer than for go to Brentford Road. I saw artists full up the place. Them time we have all Bounty Killer me audition. And me first character Bounty Killer got foreign.
Wow.
But and I'm first character got Europe, so I have to respect that.
Yes.
But a whole heap of artists on my belt, man. Whole heap of tune. But I did kind of forget about awards, you know. So I have to big up Jaria.
Correct.
Because when they did have Rockers Award, I was nominated for Rockers Award. And I was told 2 days before the awards, Fatman, I better go because you not get the award. At the time, the DJ of the year, the singer of the year, the producer for the year, and the studio for the year, I mean, all them work there. So for me, not getting the engineer of the year award, I just say, yo, love that. We have another bridging now, him submit an album to the record company for go to Grammy. Them say, boy, the song him produced by the album of a remix. So he beg me remix it for him. So the album, Sean Paul album, get the Grammy, but me never got the credit. Because when him submitted first, I can't to him.
Them stay with what was the first submission.
Exactly.
Ah, I get
so
you.
he never put my name on it as a remix engineer. So that trophy that should in my house too.
Yeah.
So I have to big up Jaria because...
Nothing but, you know, it's just time.
Yeah.
Just time. I think even though you wouldn't have physically gotten an award, Fatman, when I listen to people in the business, they honor you all the time when they talk about you as an engineer. What is that like, being able to work with the best in the music in Jamaica? One time he was with Shocking Vibes, no?
No, well, I mean, start Shocking Vibes.
See there?
When Shocking Vibes, I come at Jimmy Cliff Studio, Patrick Roberts was an employee at Aquarius Records. And I made all I work from them time. Yeah.
Work with Jimmy Cliff?
Yeah, man. No, well, Jimmy Cliff are the boss. I remember one time on tour, the man them say, boy, come downstairs. Because everybody knows me a short pants man. So them say, no short pants today. And when I reach down in the lobby, I say, every musician, backup singer, guess, they must sing happy birthday to me. It was the first in my life I get happy birthday in France. Give thanks to Jimmy Cliff for that. Because in the orchestra, I tell you, all of the dearest French champagne you can think of, they're on the table.
Yeah.
Big up Jimmy Cliff.
Big up Jimmy Cliff.
Yeah.
Some of the people are watching now, sometimes, you know, we see the artists, but we don't know what goes into creating the music. As the engineer, I want them to understand the importance of what you do in the music. Can you create rhythm and all them things that you know?
Well, all right. Like, as I say rhythm now, Uptown Lindo's biggest hit, Territory. Me play upon that. But as an engineer, everybody have the concept of engineer in a Jamaica wrong.
Clarify it for me.
Because Jamaican engineers do what the producer them supposed to do. Most of the time, the producer them yard, and we in the studio, I say, boy, no, sing it that way. Yeah. Sometimes I literally have to call the singer around in the control room and sing it the way I want him to sing it. I say, boy, go back around there, go sing it that way. Yeah.
Wow.
DJ that way. Yeah.
Wow.
When the record release, produce and arrange by, and then the producer get the credit. How we do the work. So we are telling the man them how to sing the song.
Yeah.
Yeah, how to DJ the song.
Yeah.
Check out all the word them and the whole past grammar and everything. And we change up everything. Mm-hmm. Everybody just hear the finished product when it go road.
But the engineer, do the magic.
But it's only Jamaica that work because
everywhere else is different.
Yeah, the engineer is only the man to make sure the recording is proper.
Yeah.
The producer do all that work. Mm-hmm. But at Jamaica, you know, we do the work as an engineer.
Yeah.
And we're not
getting no credit. You also were very big on sound systems.
Yeah, we did 2 sound systems.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Element Disco. Mm-hmm. We start out to do 10 record. One garage turntable and 1 tube bombs and mash up Waterhouse, man.
Right.
Yes, man. And then we go Gold Supreme.
Yeah.
My next song that give the birth to what? 21.
121.
Yeah, because the 4 of them was me employees them. And that's how the group start.
Wow.
Yeah.
And 121 was a big thing in Jamaica. Man. Yeah. What does that feel like though, Leroy, to be the person that would have seen a lot of these artists from when them just walk through the gate, and some of them don't even reach the gate till they become stars?
I feel good knowing say, boy, yes, me pay a big contribution in them career.
Yeah.
Especially a man like Carl Stitchy. Because me record Stitch's first hit song. Mm-hmm. Capleton first hit song from Capleton a Ballad. Mm-hmm. And me audition, Lucky D, Trilla You, Singing Melody, Wayne Wonder. All them man there.
Yeah.
So when me see them on stage, or sometimes I watch on my TV, I feel proud if you know say, boy, yeah.
You were there at the beginning.
Yes, man.
Yeah. As you say, you've toured as well with a lot of artists. There are 2 important things you wanted to bring, two significant moments. Talk to me about it.
Well, I mentioned one already, the birthday.
Which is Jimmy Cliff, yes, the birthday.
But the other one, when I see no artists do all know. We are performing in Cologne, Germany. About over 120,000 people in attendance. And when Jimmy Cliff finished introduced the band, the place got full black. I mean, it was a 2 spotlight go and pine for me. And Jimmy Cliff said, oh dear, it's my engineer, give it up for Fatman. Wow. I mean, I tell you, when Jimmy Cliff don't perform, I mean, step off of the riser, and people lift me up.
Wow.
So me start fret, come here say, where do I carry me go? Because me hear about things that go on in Africa. So I say, where do I carry me? When me look them carry me go straight in our tent when I do a press conference.
Wow.
Luckily, Jimbo and Earl just pack up everything for me. And think I'm just do me interview them, go back to my bus.
To your bus.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You know, and so I'm listening to that, and let me tell you, for Jimmy Cliff honor you like that, that's honor.
From me a tour after that.
That's honor.
Every other musician, me say big up them artists, big up them band.
Yeah.
Never big up the engineer.
Yeah.
Big up Jimmy Cliff for that.
Big up Jimmy Cliff for that.
Yes, man.
I told you 10 minutes runs out in a quick time, Fatman. But now, what is your advice as one of Jamaica's most successful engineers? What is your advice to the ones that are up and coming, to the ones that are now helping to create the music? What is your advice to them?
Try to get back to the roots. The roots are right there. Because even though you see the man them do this whole heap of computer and them what them call trap dancer now. Mm-hmm. When you see them on stage, it's live band a play.
Correct.
So why not use the live band all the time? Mm-hmm. And that's all the music there. Mm-hmm. Live music, see it come back now. Mm-hmm. Since the pandemic finish up now, everywhere now you see live music. So that's all the music there. Mm-hmm. So everybody if you try to stick to live music. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah. And as the engineers, having that ear, having that, what would you say? Because sometimes I hear some music, you know, I mean, I say, engineer look like he drop asleep.
No, because, all right. And when most of them I don't know, since Pro Tools come, everybody depend on plugins. Mm-hmm. Them now use them natural ear for determine the sound. It's a plugin that determine all the song for sound. Mm-hmm. Use your ears.
Use your ears.
Yes, man.
Only way you're going to get it sound unique.
Man. Use your ears. Don't depend on the bag of plugins because that only change all the music for sound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fatman, listen, we honor you. You know, you're one of us. And I know a lot of us walking around here, because you're humble, didn't even know.
Exactly.
That you are such an accomplished person. And it's an honor to be able to share that with the TVJ audience and to say you're one of us here. Congratulations, man.
Up, man.
Well deserved, well earned. Honor and respect is due to you. We have to call him Mr. Leroy. after this. All right. Jaria's Honor Award recipient for his contribution to reggae music, Leroy Fatman Thompson. More on Smile, but first, here's News in 5 update.